Assalamu alaikum sir. We hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. In this video we are going to talk about our computer peripheral and interfacing project submission. My name is Muhammad Ainuddin Munshiruhin and my project partners are Muhammad Hossain Sujel and Muhammad Raihan Ahmed. And our project topic is obstacle avoiding car. We hope you will like it. The tools that we have used in these projects are Arduino, motor driver, wheels, gear motor, servo motor, ultrasonic sensor, battery holder, jumper wire, acrylic sheet, and DC power switch. Introductions about essential tools used in project. Arduino. An Arduino is an open source electronics platform based on an easy to use hardware and software. Arduino boards are able to read inputs, lights on a sensor or finger on a button or a Twitter message and turn it into an output. A motor driver. A motor driver is something that makes the motor moves as per the given instructions or the inputs. Motor drivers acts as an interface between the motors and the control circuits. Now we will talk about servo motor. A servo motor is an electromechanical device that produces torque and velocity based on the supplied current and voltage. A servo motor works as a part of a closed loop system providing torque and velocity as commanded from a servo controller, utilizing a feedback device to close the loop. A gear motor. A gear motor is an all-in-one combination of a motor and gearbox. Its mechanism adjusts the speed of the motor, leading them to operate at a certain speed. Now we will talk about ultrasonic sensor. An ultrasonic sensor is an electronic device that measures the distance of a target object by emitting ultrasonic sound waves and converts the reflected sound into an electrical signal. Ultrasonic waves travel faster than the speed of audible sound. A battery holder. A battery holder is one or more compartments or chambers of holding a battery. The primary functions of a battery holder is to keep cells fixed in a place safely and securely while conveying power from the batteries to the device in question. Here we have included the diagram of our circuit. From here we can clearly understand how the motor, sensor, battery and switch are connected with the circuit body. This circuit diagram brings the whole connection process in one image.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Raihan Ahmed and my ID is 181115013. In this video, before my partner describe the details of the various tools of our project and also explain project circuit. Now I will talk how to make project. Let us start making the project. At the beginning, we are connecting the wires with the gear motor, and then we have placed before gear motor on the board sheet, and it come up like this. And now we are connecting the wheels. After the placement of wheels, it shows this view. At this point, we have mounted the Arduino in our device board and placed it properly so that the Arduino to get proper support. Now we are connecting the sensor with my device. This sensor will help the device to detect obstacle in front of it. Now we are placing the servo motor over the Arduino and making the necessary connection required to develop our device. We have placed the sensor and servo motor in our device. So now we need battery holder in our device, and now connecting the battery holder in our device. After putting the battery holder, the device looks like this. We are almost done. At this point, we are connecting the remaining wires and also place screw in position so that the device gets a proper support.
Assalamu alaikum sir. My name is Hossain Sujel and my ID is 181115034. In this video, my partner Ruhin and Raihan describe about the details of our various tools and project circuit and also explain how to make a project. Now I am going to tell you about project code. In project code, we first imported the library. There are three types of library like FM motor library, servo motor library and new pin. After adding this library, we define our trig pin at A0 point and echo pin at A1 point, and rest of the pin we set up as in shown. Here is a function named setup function. It will work for initialize variable and ping modes. The setup function will only run one after it power up or reset of the Arduino code. And then another function name is void loop. In void loop function, all the logical part in our project work here. In look right function works for turn the servo motor in right position, and look left function works for turn the servo motor in left position. Here is a read pin. Read pin function works for measure the distance. And here another function move stop. Move stop function works when any obstacle arrives in their path. Then move forward function. Move forward function works when path will free and remove obstacle. As the car moves forwards, the motors rotate clockwise. And then move backward function works when there is an obstacle in the way. As the car moves backward function, the motors rotate anti-wise. That's it. Now we are uploading the code in Arduino. It is the screen record when we upload code in our device. By selecting tools, then port and click on CM4, we have uploaded the code. This code contains all the necessary libraries and statements so that our device is able to get command and follow instructions. Click on upload button and wait for some time. The code is uploaded, done. Now let us see the outcome. Let us see how our device performs. As the vehicle moves forward, I put my hand in front it, and the vehicle stops because the sensor considers my hand as an obstacle. It proves that our device is avoiding obstacle in front of it. And now we will talk about future uses of obstacle avoiding car. Number 1. It can be used as specially military applications. Number 2. They can be used for household work like automatic vacuum cleaning by giving proper intelligence. Number 3. They can also be used in dangerous environments where human penetration could be fatal. Number 4. For a space mission on various planets, the theory of it can play a vital role. Number 5. We can bring new invention by adding the technology with artificial intelligence in near future. We have tried to create an autonomous robot which intelligently detects the obstacle in his path and navigate according to the actions we set for it. We try to give our best and we learn a lot from this course. Thank you, sir.